Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this cherry. I'm going to be using red yarn and the green yarn right here. I don't have an information for this yarn, but any green color can do just for this part right here. And we're going to be using 3mm hook and scissor. So in this project, I'm going to be using 100 grams of 75% virgin wool and 25% polyamide. And suggested hook for this yarn is 2 to 3mm hook. This is perfect for socks, but I'm gonna use this for making a cherry. So grab the red yarn you have available. So first, grab your red yarn and your 3mm hook. To begin, make a slip knot. And make a chain of 3. 1, 2, and 3. So I have a chain of 3, and now I'm going to make a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook right there. Yarn over, pull a bit higher because we're creating this little circle right here, this one, and pull. And you can see that is what we're creating, the circle in the middle. Chain 1. That is for our round 1. Chain 1. Insert your hook in the middle, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now we're going to make 7 more single crochet, a total of 8 single crochet for round 2. Insert your hook in the same circle, yarn over, pull, and 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2. Insert your hook in the same circle, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 3. The same. 4, 5, and 6, 7, and total of 8 single crochet for round 2. So let's count that if we have a total of 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8. Total of 8 single crochet. And now we're going to make a slip stitch in the first single crochet, which is here. On the top of that, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through in that loop to close round 2. And now round 3, we're going to chain 1. In the first stitch you find, which is here, insert your hook and make 1 single crochet right there. Insert your hook, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, just like in round 2. And now in the next stitch, we're going to make 2 single crochet. Insert your hook right there, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And one more in the same stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is going to be our pattern all the way around. So 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next stitch after that we're going to make 2 single crochet. So we're going to repeat that, and now in the next stitch we're going to make 1 single crochet. 1 and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in the same stitch, 2 single crochet in total in that stitch, 2 single crochet, and then in the next stitch 1 single crochet. The next stitch after that, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 1 more, 2 So we have here a total of 12 single crochet for round 3. And this is not included this stitch here, by the way, this one, because this is our previous slip stitch, which is not included, and this is our chain 1, which is not included also as a stitch, but on this one, on the top of this, which is our first single crochet, there we're going to close our round. Insert your hook right there, yarn over, and make a slip stitch, pull through in that loop, and we have a total of 12 single crochet in round 3. To begin round 4, chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch you find, which is here, yarn over, pull 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're just going to make 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around, a total of 12 single crochet. So we're going to do that. 1 single crochet per stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last one, 12. And now we're going to make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. As usual, this is our previous slip stitch, which is not included as a stitch. And we're going to slip stitch on the first single crochet. Insert your hook right there, yarn over, and pull through in that loop. And now we're going to repeat round 4 2 more times, which is 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around, total of 12 single crochet. So I am now in round 5, and just 1 single crochet per stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And make a slip stitch in the first single crochet, which is here, yarn over, and pull through in that loop. Round 6, chain 1, and the same round 4, make 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around, a total of 12 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So your work should be like a pocket, like this, just like a cherry. And now make a slip stitch in the first single crochet you made, right there. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through in that loop. And this is how it looked like. So we started to make a hole right there. And now what we are going to do is we're going to put the stuff inside. And so round 7, guys, we're going to decrease. Yarn, chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch you find, insert your hook right there, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and make a decrease. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops in the hook, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull, and now you have 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. and that is our decreasing. And that is just our pattern all the way around, total of 8 stitches. Insert your hook in the next stitch, 1 single crochet right there. And now we're going to make a decrease. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, 2 loops in the hook. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, 3 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. And that is our second decrease. Now 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and again a decrease. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And again 1 single crochet in the next stitch, decrease, insert your hook and pull, insert your hook in the next stitch and pull, 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And that is our last decrease. Let's count our stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in total. And in the first single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through in that loop. Now we're closing it, and this is how it look like. And now I'm going to chain 1, pull tight, tuck the yarn, and we're just going to close this last opening here. Insert your hook in the next stitch right here and pull that yarn, insert your hook. I'm just going to do that per stitches. And now we're done. We're just going to pull this. And this one right here, I want to insert my hook right here. And I'm just going to pull this one in. Like that. So it's gone. Much better. And this is basically our cherry fruit. And now I'm going to pull this one here at the bottom. Pull that yarn. So once you have this in the bottom, I'm just going to insert my hook in this round one here. And I'm going to put this in a half and get 1/2 and make a knot just to secure the stitch.
1. I'm just gonna make a few knots. 2.
Okay, I'm satisfied. I will cut a bit of this yarn here and maybe twisted it, put them all together, and I'm just going to go in this random stitch right here or going back here and just put it in, just like what I did in the other one, just to hide it. And this is our cherry fruit, and it was very easy. And now grab your green yarn, and we're going to make a slip knot. And we're going to grab our cherry, not in the bottom but on the top. You can see it's the bottom because there's a bit circle right here. And we're going to insert our hook on the top, which is in the middle. And insert your hook in this slip knot you made. Pull. And chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Finished cherry, and now I'm just going to connect them all together. And now I'm just going to insert my hook in the last chain, which is here. Yarn over, pull, and pull. And I'm going to grab the other one. Insert your hook in the last chain, which is here. Yarn over and pull through in that loop also. Now I'm just going to make a chain of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. I'm just going to cut the yarn right there. And also this one here, I'm going to secure. I'm just going to make a knot. And I'm just going to cut the remaining yarn here. I'm just going to pull that. I'm just going to pull that in, insert my hook right here, and pull this one, this green yarn, put it in, just to hide it and make it look cleaner. Okay, better. And now I'm just going to do the same for the rest of this yarn here. Cut this one here. And I'm just going to do the same of this one here. Insert my hook right here. You can insert this yarn somewhere, anywhere, here or here or here. Just going to hide this yarn. To finalize my work. And cut this yarn right here on the top. But first I want to make a knot to secure this one right here.
1 and 2.
And then just cut the yarn. And there you go, we are done with our cherry.